Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, and problems like ecological degradation are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. In our country, amid the increasing population, burning of fossil fuels have also increased. The levels of CO2 in the atmosphere have reached its heights more than the third since the Industrial Revolution. As we see our present, we hold a bleak picture for our environment in the future. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, weather, food, and our health. The extra water, which was once held in the glaciers, is melting off the high temperatures produced of global warming, which results in spill out and heavy floods. In India, warmer temperature makes the weather more extreme, results not only in heavy storms, tornado, floods, and snowfall in some areas, but also longer and frequent droughts. The areas where plants and animals can live are shifted of water supplies which are diminished, which answers to ecological attacks. Not only these, but there are endless problems running from deforestation, burn pits on mountains, slaughtering in heavy levels. So on this World Environment Day, we, the students of Delhi Public School Jaipur, have made an attempt to create awareness amongst all the students and their families for making this world a better place to live.
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी घुल घुल जाए हवा में चाशनी
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी घुल घुल जाए हवा में चाशनी है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा तूने है सिखाया हो, धूप में है छाया हो, एक सोच है जागी जागी धरती के लिए एक जोत है जागी जागी प्रकृति के लिए ओ हाँ ओ नदियाँ पर्वत सागर बादल चारों दिशाएं बहती गाती मधुमाती ये अल्हड़ हवाएं बल खाती आती तरंगे ये लहरें किनारे चमके पेड़ पत्ते बूंदे झिलमिल सितारे तूने जो बताया हो हाँ बोया तो फल पाया हो हाँ है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा एक सोच है जागी
Can we really save our environment by staying at our homes? Yes, we can. It's so easy that once you start, it will become part and parcel of your daily life. Replace lighters with matches. Opt for online bills and electronic bank statements. Use cloth napkins instead of tissues. Use your car as seldom as possible. Instead, use public transportation or ride a bicycle. Use pre-loved goods as it will support local businesses and save your money. So this Environment Day, let's take a pledge to see green, live green and eat green. Thank you.
जय 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 से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।